Hello snowman kìa. By shooting the snow out. By building more snow slide cho tụi con kìa. Wow, look at my gazebo. It's all with snow. Wow, it seems like Daddy liked that machine, huh? Hello, Baba.
That's the machine that what?
Bà thích lắm hả Baba ơi? Bà không có nghe. Bà cười thôi chứ bà không có nghe. Ok, em mình chụp hình cho. Daddy built a snow slide slope for the kids to play. Thay's getting on. Go ahead, Thay. How high did it look?
Very high.
Okay, try not to slide on to the car side.
I can't hear you. I know, it's scary. We have to make it more flat so it's not. Because Mama, it's in an angle. That's why.
Yeah, you go smooth it out a couple times. Then you have to slide up and down a couple times. Don't walk that way. Mommy going to build a stair. Go ahead. Go. Go ahead, Thay. Okay, then Mommy go again. Funny. Okay, Mama, I'm coming. Bye. Tại đây. It's so good. It's good, right? Yeah. Công trình. Yeah. Okay, lên. Không đi được xa. Cái xanh nó đi xa hơn.
Three, two, one. Okay, you can go.
Giờ cái bên kia kìa.
Oh.
Oh yeah, we did it. We did very well. Right, we are going to the park and then we're going to the hill to slide down on the hill. Do it. Yeah, it's all right. You swimming in the snow?
Oh my god.
Go ahead. Samuel, you want to slide down? Okay, let Samuel push. Go ahead, Samuel, push. Go. Whoa, Samuel. Nothing wrong. You are. Yeah, and now Tate, you can come up and push Samuel. Go. Well, you're right at mommy.